Hey y'all, welcome to Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today we have a very fun project. We are going to make a paper rosette wreath. The supplies you're going to need for this project are simple. You will need a grapevine wreath, some craft paper, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and some glue. Getting started with this project is real simple. I fold the paper into fours and then cut a circle. That way you've got 4 circles ready to start. The circle does not have to be perfectly round. Any round shape will do. Then start on the outer edge of your circle and begin to cut spirals. You will continue to cut the spiral until you get to the center of the circle. Once you're at the center of the circle, you will leave one small circle which will serve as the base for your rosette flower. Next, you will begin rolling your spiral, starting with the edge, working your way to the center of the flower. Continue rolling until you've got it all rolled up together. Hold the rosette between your fingers and release the swirl to reveal a pretty rosette. Once you have released the swirl to your satisfaction, you can add the glue to the bottom of the swirl, attaching it to the circle, and there you have a pretty rosette. Again, you can loosen the swirl to make a bigger, wider rosette, or you can choose to leave the swirl tightly wound to have a tight rosette. You will repeat this process with varying sizes of circles and different patterns of paper to have a variety of rosettes for your wreath. Next, you're going to use your hot glue gun and glue the rosettes to your wreath. I tend to start with the larger rosettes and spread them out equal distances around the wreath, and then begin to fill in the remaining areas with the smaller rosette. Just keep gluing on rosettes till you have a very full wreath like this, and voila! Here you have it, a paper rosette wreath. This can be custom designed to match the colors of your decor or the season that you're celebrating. If you like these Easter carrots, check out the earlier video on Easter Carrots DIY. Here I have the smaller wreath displayed on a 3-tier tray on our dining room table. It looks very pretty with the other small rosettes displayed on the other levels. Be sure to check out the earlier video on Sharpie Doodle Easter eggs.